Okay, this is random footage. I think I want to give myself curtain bangs. I'm kind of scared. This is what I'm doing at like 10 a.m. in the morning. Not even, it's 9:49. Why? I just had the urge, like, you know. I'm kind of scared. No way. Oh God. Oh wow. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna play some music. I'm so scared. We're just gonna start with an actual legit part. By the way, I just trimmed my hair, so I mean, I need to finish this side really quickie. It looks kind of okay. Like, oh, I forgot some spots. Well, I'm gonna cut that shit anyway, so never mind. Someone watching this is probably quaking. Ow! 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 Ow, that's really sharp. Ow. Ooh. That literally feels freaking worse than when they stab it at the... That's so scary. I'm just gonna put some pressure on it. It should be fine. This is so sad. I'm next to myself. Ow. No, I cut myself. Can I have a band-aid?
How short are you cutting?
Not short, I'm just trimming it.
You cut your hand?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I hope it doesn't burn.
You done, right?
Huh?
Are you done?
I'm not done. You're putting more on?
I don't know why you want to do it today.
I just felt the urge.
So where's the hair?
In the vacuum? I just need a band-aid. Like, I need something to wrap it so I can continue. This is unfortunate. Like, what? I need to play some music. I really can't.
Are we done?
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna be extra careful now. Fuck. Don't cut your hair at home. Just don't. Literally, please do not try this at home. This is so stupid. I need to go slower. I don't even want to touch. It feels like when I prick my finger in the doctor's office, but way worse. Because it's like a little slash instead of a prick. I think I'm done trimming and then I'll fix it if it looks bad. But we're gonna start on the curtain bangs. I love how I just didn't even tell her that I was doing bangs. Lord have mercy. Okay, hair grows back. That's all we're gonna say. Oh, also, do I need to let my agent know that I'm cutting my hair? I mean, I'm not doing anything crazy now. I think that my stomach is like nervous for me. All right. That's not even. Okay, let's just start slow. I'm just gonna cut it like here. First angle. I think I'm just wanna do it to my lips because curly hair shrinks. Look at this, there's literally no going back. I think now I'm gonna start like fanning it out and then I'll go shorter if I want. I mean, that looks about right, does it not? I don't want this to go, I don't want the short part to be any shorter than right here because it'll just scrunch up. I'm not even vlogging. What is this video? Wow, that was impulsive. For sure. Is this a bad decision? Why don't we match this side? I'm just gonna go ahead and snip upwards right here. So all this is definitely gone. Uh-oh. It's supposed to be this way. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Let me be careful. So it needs to be this way, shorter. Oh my god. Oh my god. This needs to be the same length as this. This is not as easy as it looks, and everyone who tries to make it look easy is lying. Cause look at this. Now it's not even. I think I should honestly just stop cutting. Okay, I just want to bring in the rest of my hair. I'm kind of nervous, but oh, fuck. So bad. Why did I do that? I literally have bangs. What? Oh, no. I need to fix this a little bit. I want long bangs for sure. Ugh, this will grow out in a year, it's fine. But this just doesn't blend into my hair at all. Well,
can I have the patch? It's enough.
I have bangs. I did it on purpose. I don't know where they are. Oh my god, I have so much hair on me.
Stop.
No, this just isn't it. Someone to come and help me. Come and help me. How do people just do this on TikTok? That's not how you do it, you know? Okay, let's try and... This doesn't blend in at all. You know what? All you have to do is rock shit, you know? Even if it looks bad, you just have to rock it and no one will say anything. I think this looks actually kind of fine. Ugh, I want to stop cutting, but first of all, it's addicting. Second of all, it feels like it's not there yet, you know? Okay, cool. Let's try and style this really quickly because I'm not enjoying this. Ew, they're not together. I don't know. How do I feel about this? Well, at least they're kind of still long enough for me to put inside a ponytail. They're not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and try and style it. And I'm still cutting. What is my problem? Actually, I really like it. It's fine. But the problem, or the question is, what does my curly hair look like with this? I like curtain bangs. These are fun. I've never had them before, but they're a trend, and I wanted to see what I'd look like with them. They kind of look okay. Whatever. We're just gonna go with it. And now I'm touching my finger on a straightener. Tell me to stop. The haters will hate, aka my mom. Okay, that's fine. Add some body, whatever. What was our goal here? I don't know. I'm gonna post on Instagram real quick. This caption: gave myself curtain bangs, slit my finger, it's a good time. Okay, this was an accident. I didn't want it to be that curly, but fuck. Actually, y'all, I'm a fan. I did a good job.
Max edition.
Look at my hair. I gave myself bangs. Nice, huh?
Oh.
I did good, right?
How much? How much is the
The
bang?
slit. It's like right here. Some impulsive things just work. You know, you lose a finger or two along the way, and it's okay. You can't mess up hair too bad. That's why I wonder how people like really mess up hair. And I can just tuck it behind my ears. It's still long enough. That's so wonderful. I've never had these before. Hopefully my curly hair looks good too. I have no idea. That's it for my curtain bangs tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can't really mess it up too bad, so just go for it if you want to do it. Obviously safe, don't slit your finger like I did. And yeah, bye. Oh, this is such a weird video.